Right, good morning. So I am literally on my way down to Southampton right now. I'm running a few minutes late, but should be okay, should be able to make up the time. As you can see in the back, I've got my splitter. So yeah, we're gonna go down to Amigo Customs and they're gonna fit it for me. Got the camera up here for a time lapse. Yeah, let's get hustling, I guess. I don't really have time to waste. I'll update you when I'm there. So I've just got here. I've not gone in yet. But pulling up, I found a friend. Another Scirocco. Yeah. Oh, he's in there. I didn't realise, but oh well. So yeah, back again. They're gonna fit it. I'm gonna chill out here. Might take a wander down in a minute and see. Poor guy in the other Scirocco. Didn't realise he was sat in there, so I was just filming him. Oh well. Clean looking M4. 320D. My Scirocco. And behind me is that monster. Look at the wing on this thing. It's got a wing and a ducktail. It's pretty sick, I can't lie. He would have been better off doing that.
He didn't know what to do, so he just stared up at it.
Yeah, look at that diffuser.
It's throaty though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's... Right, so I've just left Amigo Customs. Splitter's on. They've done a great job with it. I know, you can feel something coming. I think I've just set a new world record and it's very on brand for me because I've already scratched it. Yeah, and it was going to happen sooner or later. May as well be day fucking one. Get it over and done with. But yeah, at least I got a photo or two before it was scratched. Fuck. Made it home from Southampton. As I said, did already fuck it, but it was going to happen eventually. May as well rip the bandage off its peak, but I can't do anything about it now. So it just, sadly, it just is what it is. You can't really, I mean, I guess you can, but I mean, when you're a bit further away, you don't really notice it as much. Still looks good, still looks sick. I love the splitter. Still, yeah, I think it looks really clean on it. Quick break from the Scirocco, something a bit different for me. I'm at a drift day with the boys. The E30 is currently cooling down after it was running quite hot. I think the boys are about to go out in Jan's MX-5 now. So I'll get a couple clips of that. Right, so it's probably time for an update. I apologise for the delay, not that you know there's a delay because you're watching it all in one, but I was kind of ill for the past sort of week and a bit, so haven't done a lot. Yeah, so I scratched it, I f***ed it, but we moved. There's not a lot I can do about it. I did buy something that I thought might save it, but I've decided I'm not going to use it, and you'll see why when I show you. I bought a carbon fibre repair kit, and I'm not gonna lie, it's this. I don't know what I expected, but this is not going on my car. It's just not happening. It's see-through. Just, yeah. it's not happening. Let's go have another look at the car, and I'll show you the state it's in. It's a mess, but what's new? I know the question on everyone's mind is, how did I do it? I'm not going to tell you because it's embarrassing. No, I will tell you, but you can't laugh, and you're gonna laugh. I was leaving Amigo Customs, and I forgot my water bottle. So I turned around, grabbed my water bottle, turned back around, and forgot that the car is now that much lower at the front, and there's a really awkward curb there, which isn't like a normal curb. It's quite a shallow one, and before I've just been able to drive over it. Can't drive over it now. Scratched it. Pain, suffering, agony, eczema. What? Don't know what that last one was about, but yeah. It is what it is. I don't think it looks terrible. Doesn't look great, obviously, but it's okay. And again, it just makes the car more me because I'm the only one that's an idiot enough to do this to my car, so I'll live with it. I'm running out of words here, guys. Right, you'd never believe me, but I actually took my car to get washed yesterday. It was a do-it-yourself one, and it was terrible. You can still see do-it-yourself. Yeah, the spoiler's still on, hasn't fallen off yet, which is good. But yes, the main thing is the scratch down here. As you can see, it's not a light scratch. It has gone quite deep. The option I had is I could mask this off, sand it, apply a bit of carbon fibre wrap, and just epoxy it, but I don't think it's going to match, and I think it's going to stand out more if anything, so we're not going down that route. I'll be honest, it is a shame, but again, it's done, it's in the past, I can't do anything about it now, so we're just going to have to live with it, and as peak as that is, it's not the end of the world, and I'm over it, to be honest. I'm going to get off the floor now. Right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. Hope no one's too upset that I scratched it, but hey ho, what are you gonna do? Unless you want to pay for a new one. If you want to, that's fine, just drop me a DM. But yeah, please, if you can, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see on the car or see the car doing. No idea is a bad idea. That's gonna bite me in the ass. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, all of that. Check out the Instagram for more photos. If you are following the Instagram, you would have known this happened the day I got it installed. But that's all I've got to say, so I'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you very much. P.S. I heard if you don't like this video, your mum's a hoe, so